Hello fellows, we are discussing introduction to trigonometry applied questions. So look at the next problem. If cos alpha divided by cos beta equal to m and cos alpha divided by sin beta equal to n, show that m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to n square. So let me solve here. We have LHS m square plus n square into cos square beta. So it is our LHS. Using this LHS we want to prove RHS, that is n square, right? And also they given here m and n value. So substitute here. So here it will become m value is cos alpha divided by cos beta. So here m square is there, so whole square, and plus n square, n value here cos alpha divided by sin beta whole square and into cos square beta as it is. And now here make square separately. Cos square alpha divided by cos square beta plus cos square alpha divided by sin square beta into cos square beta. So look at here, in a NR here cos square alpha and here also cos square alpha. So take common. So here we got cos square alpha outside into here is cos square beta. So write down that one also, cos square beta in a bracket 1 by cos square beta plus 1 divided by sin square beta. And now here cos square alpha into cos square beta as it is and in a bracket. So here make a cross multiplication, sin square beta into 1. So here we got sin square beta and cos square beta into 1 is plus cos square beta, this divided by cos square beta into sin square beta. And in the next step here cos square alpha into cos square beta as it is and in a bracket. Look at here is a sin square beta plus cos square beta. It is a 1 because we know that the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1. Using that identity here 1 divided by cos square beta into sin square beta. And now here make this multiplication, cos square alpha into cos square beta divided by cos square beta into sin square beta. So here cos square beta get cancelled. So remaining term cos square alpha divided by sin square beta, and this equal to n square because they only given here. Look at here cos square alpha divided by sin square beta is equal to 1, they given, right? And here we have cos square alpha divided by sin square beta. So here n square. Is it clear? So this equal to RHS. Hence proved. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to P and sec theta plus cosec theta equal to Q, show that Q into P square minus 1 equal to 2P. Let me solve here. we have LHS equal to Q P square minus 1. So using this LHS we want to prove RHS. So here Q value they only given here, right? Sec theta plus cosec theta equal to Q. Substitute here. Sec theta plus cosec theta, and in a bracket P square. P value also they given here. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to P. So here sin theta plus cos theta whole square, because here is a P square, and minus 1 as it is. Now here sec theta plus cosec theta as it is. So in a bracket, look at here, here is a sin theta plus cos theta whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, and also we know that expand form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So expand here, we got sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and minus 1 as it is. So now here sec theta plus cosec theta as it is. Look at here, here is a sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of this one we can write 1 by using the identity, and plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 as it is, and here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. And now here sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta plus cosec theta we can write 1 divided by sin theta into remaining term here 2 sin theta cos theta. And now in the next step, so here make a cross multiplication. So here we got sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into 2 sin theta cos theta, and here sin theta into cos theta and sin theta into cos theta get cancelled. So remaining term here 2 sin theta plus cos theta, right? And this equal to 2 sin theta plus cos theta means P, they only given. So this equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. If x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta into cos theta, and x sin theta equal to y cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. So here we have x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. And look at here, here is a x sin cube theta. This one we can write x sin theta into sin square theta. Make this multiplication, we got x sin cube theta, right? And plus similarly here also we can write y cos theta into cos square theta. Make this multiplication, we got y cos cube theta, and this equal to sin theta into cos theta as it is. And here x sin theta into sin square theta plus, so here instead of this y cos theta we can write x sin theta, because they only given. Look at here, x sin theta equal to y cos theta. So here is a y cos theta. Instead of this y cos theta, we can write x sin theta, and here cos square theta equal to sin theta cos theta as it is. And look at here, here is a x sin theta and here also x sin theta. So take common, then here we got x sin theta comes outside, so here sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this equal to sin theta cos theta as it is. And here sin x theta as it is, sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1, and this equal to sin theta cos theta, and this implies here we got x sin theta equal to sin theta into cos theta, and here sin get cancelled, so remaining x equal to cos theta, right? X is equal to cos theta. And now here they only given x sin theta equal to y cos theta, this one they given, right? So instead of this x we can write cos theta, just only we proved here, right? So cos theta into sin theta equal to y cos theta, and both side cos is there, get cancelled, so remaining term sin theta equal to y, so this implies y equal to sin theta, right? Here we want to prove x square plus y square is equal to 1, right? Hence x square plus y square equal to, x value is cos theta, so cos square theta plus y is sin theta, so y square means sin square theta, and this equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so this implies x square plus y square is equal to 1 RHS, hence proved. Is it clear?